the village of Oakhaven nestled beside the Whispering Woods, a place of ancient trees and hushed secrets. Elara, a young woman weighed down by the recent loss of her grandmother, felt the village's comforting embrace was no longer enough. Her grandmother, a renowned storyteller, had always spoken of the forest's whispers, a comforting balm for troubled souls. One twilight evening, Elara ventured into the woods, the setting sun painting the trees in hues of orange and purple. The path was overgrown, but Elara pressed on, the air growing cooler and damper with each step. The trees towered above her, their leaves rustling in a soft symphony. It wasn't a sound exactly, but more a feeling, a gentle pressure against her ears, like the ocean's breath on a seashell. She found a clearing, a circle of ancient oaks, their branches intertwined like gnarled fingers. In the center sat a smooth, moss-covered stone. Elara sat, closing her eyes, and listened. At first, there was only the rustling leaves and the chirping of crickets. Then, slowly, she began to hear it, a chorus of whispers, soft and indistinct at first, then gradually clearer. They weren't words in the traditional sense, but more like emotions, memories, and feelings. She heard echoes of joy and sorrow, of love and loss, of strength and resilience. She felt the weight of her grief begin to lift, replaced by a sense of peace she hadn't felt since her grandmother's passing. The whispers spoke of her grandmother's life, of her laughter and kindness, of the stories she had shared. They spoke of Elara's own strength, her capacity for love, and her ability to overcome hardship. The forest didn't offer solutions to her problems, but it offered something far more valuable: acceptance, understanding, and the quiet assurance that she wasn't alone in her sorrow. Hours later, Elara left the clearing. The twilight deepened into night. The forest seemed to sigh as she departed, the whispers fading into the rustling leaves. She walked back to Oakhaven, a lightness in her step, a quiet strength in her heart. The grief remained, but it was no longer a crushing weight. It was a part of her, a memory softened by the whispers of the ancient trees.